Hello my crafty friends, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today we are making another layout. I am going to be going with this sketch right here. It is a two picture sketch. It has, I love the little scallop, and then it has like 3 clusters here. So I'm going to be using this. This is from Laura Whittaker from 2013. So that's my inspiration. The 2 photos I have here are Miss Stella and we have this blow up pumpkin, so she was giving it a hug in this one. And these are cut down to 4x4, and then I went ahead and I just matted them with the collection because I really wanted to have like a white and then a orange background. So let me show you guys what I'm working with. I'm mainly working with Happy Haunting from Simple Stories, but I did add in a few things to see what I can use up in my Halloween stash. So from Shadney's shop, she is amazing. She has a YouTube channel and she also has an Etsy shop. I got these wood veneer buttons last year. They are super cute, and then I also have one of my banners left, so I might not use this one on this layout, but I will probably use these most likely. So I have those. I have these Jolie's pumpkins, and they have like little gems on them. Super cute. I think I got these from Michael's for like $1 or less than $1. I also have these stickers. Now this is these spooky stickers, which, oh my gosh guys, $1.99. we had it made. And so I might use one of these on my layout. I don't have that much left, so yeah, I might even use like some of these just gold accents. They're super cute. And then from the collection, I have the journaling bits and pieces, and this is what it has. I think I used a lot of these up last year. Well, not a lot of them, but like I did pick out a few of them. So I have to see what I have in here and what I can use on this layout. I also have the sticker sheet. There's nothing used on the sticker sheet, so that'll be fun to use. I'm thinking I'm going to use this as my scallop. I think that would be a lot of fun. And then I also have the, what is this one? 3x4 cards. So I have anything I can use from this. And then I also have the 2x2 elements from this collection. And what I like to do is some of these I like to just fussy cut, so we'll see what we can play with. And then for this one, I have Happy Haunting. I'm going to use this as my background. This is the Hocus Pocus. And then I am going to be playing with, this one is called Jeepers Creepers. So that's the front, the back. And then this one right here is called Beautiful. So I definitely want to use this one, and I'm thinking I want to use the black. And I still have some left over from Go Batty, so I could use some of these as well. So I will be back to show you guys my progress and how it's turning out. Alright guys, so this is what I have so far. I have a cluster up here. I am going to shift this over a little bit because I want this. This of course is what I wanted to use because this one kind of had a banner underneath of it, so that is what I'm working with. And so I'm going to shift this over a little bit. We have pumpkins, we have little circles. These all came from the embellishment pack. And then up here I have a cluster with a flower. Unfortunately, they didn't have like they only had 2 flowers, so I think I might move this pumpkin up here and then put this flower down here because I just feel like the flower would probably look better. So that is what I probably will change out of this, but let me go ahead and glue everything down and then we can talk about further embellishments and see what else we can get on our page because we still have some more fun things to play with. So let's go ahead and I will adhere this all down and I will be back. All right, guys, we are done. I just want to add a few more touches. I used these stickers right here these are for Wander, and I'm almost out of them, so I'm happy I was able to spell this out. So it's pumpkin hugs, and it's just because Stella's giving the pumpkin hugs. I didn't end up using the bat, which is okay. I did use all 3 of these buttons, so I have one more left. And I think I'm going to put this in my wood veneers and see if maybe I can use it up, because it is blue. So I did use the skeleton down here, the other skeleton up here, pink, and then the ghost up here. And I thought that was really cute because it's actually like black is down here, pink is right here, and then white is up there. I also added in some wood pumpkins because you can never have too many pumpkins. And I did add some of these, 3 of these, to make a triangle, and put down the date in the foam stickers. I didn't end up using any of these, which is fine. And I think I'm going to just end it with using some enamel dots in orange. So I'm going to put 3 on each one. So we're just going to do a big one. Do a big one down here or up here. We'll do it up here. And then one down here. And then we'll do the middle ones. This is gonna get rid of this whole strip, which is good. And then we'll do another one up here. Okay, so that is another strip gone. Super cute. Love this one. So probably one of my favorites. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the sketch was supposed to look like. And I think it's pretty close. I moved my title up just because I did have all this down here. So my title is actually up here. And my clusters look a little bit big, but they're circles. I love it. I love how it turned out. Probably one of my favorites. So I hope you guys enjoyed this process video, and be sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss any more process videos with other kits that I put together. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.